Let's have a look at how straightforward it is to create an event for you to sell on your EzyCourse platform. So we're in the event section here. To create a new event, it's just simply a case of giving it a title, uploading my images. I can sell in-person or virtual events. I can insert location, the date, the start and finish time, a description of it. I can also choose to set a price for my event, or I can have it free. I can even limit the amount of people that can register for it, and I can also add hosts to the event as well. So let's have a look at what this looks like from a user perspective. Back on the All Products page for our site, you can see these two events here. I'll click on this one, and here's all the information that we entered before, and that then allows people to register for your event. They go through the shopping cart if it's a paid for event. Of course, they just need to sign up to it if it's free. So events are entirely possible on your EzyCourse platform and a great source of revenue.